countryside farm.
Oh no! My fields are all drying up! What should I do now?
Oh! Aha!
There's a pool over there!
Oh!
I'll pump water from this pond to irrigate the whole farm!
How to build a dual flow water pump. First, let's make the drive unit with this motor and drive shaft. Drive unit is done. Let's make the pump chambers. The rotor. Turbine blade. Water in, water out. It will need to chambers. Add to chambers to the drive system. Now, I'll make the water inlet section. And the water outlet section. Battery box. The dual flow water pump is done. Testing. Intake pipes, outlet pipes. The pump is drawing water from this tank and pumping it into the other tank.
First, I'll need a water pump here. Now, I'll make a storage tank to store and distribute water. Concrete.
Wow!
Water outlet. I'll build it taller to hold more water. I'll use these flexible pipes to draw water from the pond into the pump. And these pipes will supply water from the pump to the tank. Inlet tube. Then, attach this two-way water splitter to outlet pipe. I'll divide the water lines into 4 branches for better irrigation. Plastic pipes. All done? The pump is ready to go. All right, let's bring these fields back to life.
Three days later.
Awesome! Mission accomplished!
Take care of my garden when I'm not here.
Don't worry. Trust me.
Pray to God that all is well.
The seeds. Sow the seeds.
Oh no, the water has run out. No problem. I'll try another way. My Triflow pump is running.
Water the plants.
It's time to provide nutrients for the plants.
Oh, yeah!
Done with the feeding, time for the watering.
Water the plants.
I have a plentiful harvest.
The boss is sure to be pleased with these beautiful tomatoes.
Oh my god, why is this tomato so huge? Oh no, the boss is home.
Don't worry. The larger the tomatoes, the higher the revenue.
Goodbye.
This old bathhouse is sold. Inside that public bathhouse.
Finally, we can run our own business.
Wait, why is this place so run down? Insects are everywhere. Weeds are growing wild.
Ew!
This is total chaos. You've been tricked. I'd rather die than stay here with you.
Please come back, honey. I must bring this bathhouse back to life. First, I need a spray fountain pump for this pool. Let's fill up the pool with water. Then place the machine inside. Can't wait to see the spray fountain pump work. Awesome, the pool looks way more exciting. Now it's time to clean up this bathhouse. I'm exhausted. Better let that machine handle it. Look, the water blasts the dirt right off the wall. Those snakes and weeds don't stand a chance now. This place looks brand new again. Our bathhouse is now open. Welcome, everyone.
Wow, this place got a serious upgrade.
So spacious. This is the best bathroom I've ever seen.
The water is clear and so relaxing.
I'm gonna be rich.
Many months later.
Oh, wow. Honey, I want to get back with you.
You won't have a chance now.
Oil and hay storage area.
Oh no! Our supply depot is on fire!
Call 911 now.
Don't worry, the water train is here. Let's hook up these straight hose and get the water ready.
All right, buddy, let's put out the fire.
Okay. Oh no, the water cannot reach the fire on top.
Then switch to the elbow hose. Hurry!
These should work. Let's attach them. Whoa!
The hay area is clear. Let's move to the oil area, buddy.
Hell yeah!